Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this part in SolidWorks. So basically I saw a drawing on Reddit and somebody asking for the help, so I thought hey, I can make it. So let's see how to approach this. So first let's go file new and create a part, click OK. Now I will select the top plane, click on sketch. First thing that I need to know that what should I make first, base or the vertical part. So I will make this the bottom part because it is the base of it and it is quite easier to make. So what is dimension? So I can see from the figure that it is in a rectangular shape. Okay, so what is width? So width is 29 plus 73 and is the height. So let's try to make it. So I will choose center rectangle. Why center rectangle? Because I can choose front, top and right plane in mirror command easily and it will be very beneficial for me. So what is width? Its width is 29 plus 73. So 29 plus 73. I know that it is some people for new because they don't know that you can use calculator smart dimension. Now the another one is 57 plus 102 plus 57. So one way is that 57 into 2 plus 102 and we are done here. Now I have to create a fillet. So the fillet diameter is rate is 26. Remember it's radius, not diameter. How I know? If R is written it means radius. If phi is written it means diameter. Hope you guys understand. So I will go to the fillet and select these two edges. You can see fillet parameter, it's basically radius. So enter the value of 26, click OK and close it. Now I will create two circles and the distance between them is 159 mm apart, but they are equal distance. So from here, so 159 divided by 2, okay, this is, and you can see this is a small hole. I'm making this small hole, so you can see it is which is mentioned, it is diameter is 22. 2 means there are two holes, and here 35, the lower arrow 6. So basically it is saying that the bigger diameter is 38 and the depth of is 6 mm. Hope it clears your doubt. Most of the time people face issues in reading the drawings, so I'm clearing it as well. So make it 20, 20, and the distance from center from here, what it is. Notice this 29 mm, it's already mentioned here. Most of the time I face, basically in my college time as well, I face the issue in reading the drawings, so I hope I'm helping you. And click on here, features, and click on blind. How much thickness that I need to give? Its thickness is 20 mm. About this one, we will cover it later onwards, so don't worry. 20, click OK. Now I will select this face, click on sketch. Now let's make this small bit, this thing. So it is 102 mm long and 29 mm. So I will choose cone rectangle. How much? 29. How much is width? 102. 102 divided by 2. Extrude uh, up to surface. Select this face. Make sure merge result is checked on. Click OK. So this is how we make it. So click on here, sketch. Let's draw a hole. 38 mm. Remember this 38 mm diameter, 6 mm depth. So that's what I'm making. And let's make another one. As you can notice that my sketch is black, it means it is fully defined. So I don't need to define extra things. And how much is depth? 6. Looks good to me. Now select this face, click on sketch. Now I'm going to make this part. So what is its height? It's not given. If you look at the sketch, it is 76 mm from here. But what is total height? That's the issue for me. Let's see how I approach it. So I will make it, let's say, 110 mm. The width is 20 mm. Notice it is 20 mm. And I'm going to make a height of 110 mm. 110. Some people already figured it out. I am sure that what its height is. But for those who don't, I just want to show you how to figure it out. So select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now let's try to make these two things. So 19 and 38 and width is 10. Two holes, 19, 38. This is 19, 38, and distance from center is 38, and the distance from here from the bottom is 76. Draw a center line here. Escape, mirror entities, mirror this line about this line. Click OK, go to the features, extrude 10 mm. Okay, we have to make this point. Now how can I measure the height? So you can notice there is a 26 mm, that is basically this fillet. So this is how we can find it out. Let's see. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So click on sketch, draw a circle here of 26 mm. 26 into 2. Okay, what the hell I done here? Notice R is 26. R 26 means radius 26, and here is phi. Phi means diameter. So to convert radius into diameter, what I have to do? Multiply by 2. So 26 times 2, 52. Now what I will do? Draw the line like this. And draw this line. Select this line, make it horizontal. Now notice there is a constraint that is tangential. If it is not, then you need to make a tangent relation. How you can do it? By pressing select these two lines, and you can add the relation. For some people, these relations might not show up. Click on eye icon here and click on this relation. So with the help of that, you can see the relations of it. Don't worry, you will not get a real relations as a mechanical engineer. So click on here mirror entities, draw the line like this, and I will mirror about this line. Click OK, go to the features, extrude, cut through all, select this only. Click OK, and tada! Now let's remove this hole, this annoying. So instead of drawing a sketch, I will simply click on convert entities. Select this, convert entities. Saves a lot of time, don't you think? Now I have to make this middle part. So let's see. So select this right plane, click on sketch. My bad. 30. How much thickness it is? 20 mm. mid plane 20. Most of the time I also realize that people don't know that you can do lot of things. You see, all these features have some meanings. I highly recommend, if you don't know, check out my free SolidWorks course, link in descriptions. It's not like you have to pay anything, so why don't you watch it? So click OK. So now what I have to do is, notice there is something written fillet, and that is fillet, that is R2. So I have to provide a fillet. You can see this is fillet. So let's see how to do it. So I will click on fillet, enter the value 2 here. Now select this face and this face. Some error shows up. Wait a minute, let's see. Fillet. Let's select the edge. Edge one is better. Okay, I will look at it later onwards. Just select these edges. Let's see where are these. Uh, Fillet. Let's check the geometry. Most result is checked on. That's the main thing. Now let's try to fillet here. Sometimes they SolidWorks bugs, so they don't fill it properly, and issues are there, so you can't do anything about that. So previously I was not able to do it because sometimes bugs are there in SolidWorks. Can't do anything about it. So that's how we make this part. Let's check it out. I don't forget anything. Fillet here, I provided it. Yes, fillet is there, here, here, here. We don't basically here we don't provide. If we ever going to provide here, basically normally is chamfer, not the fillet part. And I think that's all. So that's for all. Yeah, if you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Namaste.